Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to find this one. So we need to use about interpretation by hyperbolic substitution. So in this one I will put about x equals to sin t. Later that I will do first the derivative for the both sides, and we have cos t dt. So this one that is about this one. Dx that is about this one. So this one that is about cos t square. The square root of cos t square that is about cos t. Now we need to simplify cos t and cos t. So we just have like this. Now we have the second formula in here. So I will put this one go in here and this one go in here. So we need to simplify this one and this one, and now we just have only e to the power of t. So this one we have e to the power of 15t. The integration of this one we have like this. About t that is about this one, and you got about t equal to option of s. So I will put this one to change for t, and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.